Welcome back to Handy News Finance. In this video you will learn how to get rich. There are 5 main methods. The first method is investing. Invest money in stocks, bonds or cryptocurrency that will give you an annual return on investment. ROI. For example, if you have $1 million invested and you get around 10% ROI, that's $100K per year. But remember to choose good stocks or promising cryptocurrency with solid background for future growth. If you're a smart investor, then there is a big chance that you'll gain real profits. A good way to build wealth is to invest in real estate. Why? Well, because it's quite stable asset. Rental properties or development land would be reasonable. However, of course, there is no guarantee. Avoid purchases that are likely to depreciate. For example, spending 100K on a new car can be a waste because that car will not be worth that much in a few years. It means that the value of new car, which was 100K, depreciates about 20% in value. So before you buy a new car, consider if you really need it. And also ask yourself if it's really a smart financial decision. And also remember to not spend money on stupid things like casinos, lottery tickets, or cigarettes. The second method to get rich is choosing the right profession. Profession that is high paying and also in demand. For example, doctors, engineers, attorneys, or IT specialists. Also remember to choose the right location for you and your profession. It means that try to live in a city where the good jobs and opportunities are. Once you get some experience, consider starting your own business. Third method, reduce living expenses. Buy in bulk, learn to can foods, and reduce the utility bills. Method number 4 is saving money. Create a monthly budget which covers your expenses and leaves a bit for your hobbies. Saving at least some money each month can help you get rich soon. And also cut expenses which you don't need and track down your main expenses. Break up with your credit card because usually people who use them spend more money than people who use cash. The final 5th method is to learn how to get rich from videos like this and to follow this YouTube channel where you can get knowledge and inspirations. In the description below you can find links to best audiobooks and videos that can be very useful for you. Thanks for watching. See you soon.